What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. My name is Donald, and today I'm going to be unboxing a Funko Pop mystery box from ToyUSA. There should be about 6 pops in here, so let's jump inside and see what's in here. Let's go. I hope you all are staying safe out there, and thank you once again for watching this video. Like I said before, this is a damaged Funko Pop mystery box. There's a little bit of damage on the box. However, I don't think it's affected the pops inside. This is the ToyUSA Funko Pop damaged mystery box. And I paid 50 bucks plus $20 shipping. Wow. So $70 total. Bought this a while back. But this is the Funko Pop mystery box, damaged mystery box of 6 pops. And I'm excited to see what's in here. Even if some of the stuff is damaged, it's all good. But man, $20 for shipping on this box. I don't remember paying that much, but that's what the receipt says. So I'll believe that. All right, let's do some damage to this box. Cut this bad boy open and see what's inside. They shipped it priority 3-day, as you can see. Oh, got some popcorn. Don't really care for popcorn. Not this kind anyways. Let me find another box to dump this out in. I'll be right back. So there's the box. And here is what's left. There's what I took out. I'm gonna throw that back right in there like that. And let's cut this bad boy open. Like I said, there should be 6 pops in here. I paid 50 bucks plus $20 in shipping. Do you guys think that's expensive for shipping? Is that like standard amount from ToyUSA? I think I bought for them a couple times here and there, but $20? Okay. Okay, I have all these pops staring at me right now. Let's clean up my desk. There's a bunch of stuff on there. And I'm going to take them out one by one and show you guys. Alright, let's start with this one right here. Alright, here we go. And this is the Wonder Woman Batman vs. Superman, the BAM exclusive. Books a Million, pop number 86. Obviously the patina edition. Very, very cool. I think I do have a couple Wonder Womans here in the back of my collection. A very cool looking Wonder Woman. I also have a friend that collects Wonder Woman, and whenever I don't want one of those pops, or if I find one that I think she may like, family friend, I'd get it for her. Very cool. That is Wonder Woman. Alright, I am not going to show you my second camera angle because the box is wide open on top of the desk. So here we go. This is all for my horror friends out there. Here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Boom. Pennywise with teeth. Wow. Pop number 473 from the movie It. And this is crazy. My daughter likes the movie It. Not a whole lot of damage, well, maybe a little bit. Let me check the damage on the first one. I forgot to mention that. Actually, this doesn't even look damaged. Yeah. And this one has just a tiny bit of damage. Some in the back right there, as you can see. But just a little bit. Not too bad. A little bit right here. But that's Pennywise with teeth. Whoa. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Now the next one is... oh, cool. The Alien from Independence Day. Pop number 283. There we go. Very cool. I like the movie. Probably not worth a whole lot. Oh, maybe look. Is that an older box? Looks like an older box design on the bottom. Very cool. I don't see much damage. Analyzing it, like hardly any damage at all. So, very cool. All right, let's put that aside and see what we got next. All right, you guys ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Oh. RuPaul. I don't collect this at all. RuPaul Drag Race, pop number 1. I don't see any damage on this box either. No, thought it was damaged, but it's not. This is from the Drag Queens line. I don't collect that line. Maybe you do. So that's RuPaul, Drag Queens. Okay, we got 2 more. All right, I got a pre-glimpse of this one, so let's see if it is what I think it is. So let's check it out. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Snoopy, the Halloween one. Nice. It looks like Halloween from the bottom design there. Peanuts, pop number 330. He is tiny in this big old box. Yeah, very cool. I do like Peanuts. Charlie Brown or whatnot, especially around the holidays. I love that stuff. So I'll definitely be keeping this bad boy. I don't see any damage. Maybe if anything, just a small amount of damage on the bottom there, but it's hard to tell from the camera angle, but very cool. That's Snoop Dogg. All right, last one in the box. Here's the empty box. We'll do a quick recap after, but last one in the box. Here we go. Last one. You guys ready? Hold on to your seats. Hopefully it's a good one. 3, 2, 1. Boom. It is buffed out Batman. Pop number 52, and you could tell right off the bat this one is damaged. There's some damage right there in the corner. Right there. That is pop number 52, Batman, Arkham Asylum. Arkham Asylum Batman. Pretty dusty. Nice crunch on the top, man. Right here in the corner. This whole area. It is an older pop, so I'm anxious to scan these and see what they're worth. I paid 50 bucks plus 20 shipping, so let's go ahead and scan them right now. Alright, I have the Funko app open, and I'm gonna go ahead and scan RuPaul first. Wow, RuPaul's trending value right now is 34 bucks. Dang, I would have never thunk. I would have never thunk it. 34 bucks for RuPaul, so let's go ahead and move on to the next one. Let's go with Pennywise. Let's hit scan another, if it's even gonna let me, and it's not. So go back. Pennywise is trending at $19. Pennywise with teeth. Very cool. Some good value already, and we're only 2 pops into it. Alright, let's move on to the Independence Day alien. And there's 2 that comes up right away, and it's obviously not the chase, it's the standard. So the common version is valued at $7. So that's that. Now let's go ahead and move on to the Patina Wonder Woman. This one I like a lot. Looks really cool. Box is in great shape. Let's scan it up. Oh wow. So I thought it would be worth a little bit more, but it's worth about 12 bucks right now. PPG trending value, $12. All right, last one, and this is the one that has a older bottom on it. And let's see what it's worth. This is the crunched up Batman. Here we go. Wow. I totally thought it'd be worth more money, but that is trending right now at 12 bucks. Dang. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and show on the screen right now what I paid and the total that I got back. So I did all the math of all these 6 pops right here, and the total current value of all these 6 pops equals about 120 bucks. Very cool. I paid 50 bucks plus $20 in shipping, so minus the 70, and basically a gain of $50 in value. So I'm pretty happy with that. A $50 gain in value from this ToyUSA damaged box of 6 Funko Pop mystery box. Hey, I'll take that any day, every day. $50 gain in value. I'm not gonna keep all of these. I'll probably keep Snoopy, Wonder Woman, maybe Batman, maybe the Alien. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But anyways, a $50 gain in value, that's pretty good. I'm happy with that. What do you guys think? What's your favorite pop that I pulled out of this ToyUSA mystery box? Let me know in the comment section down below. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys once again, like I always say, for taking the time out of your day, your precious time out of your day, for watching my videos, for liking, for subscribing, for doing all that you guys do. Thank you guys so much. And do me a favor and continue to stay safe out there. All right, that's it for me. Until the next video, be blessed, take care, have a good day, peace out, bye.